Back, Charlie, get back! Come on!
Alex! Keep going, Alex!
Shoot! It's too easy, girls, come on!
Come on, Bellurgan! Come on!
Go, Alex, go! Yeah! Well done, Alex! Well done, Lexi! Alex, well done! Go!
Come on, Blahy!
Keep going! Go!
Keep going, Blahy!
Go!
Go! Well done, Bellurgan!
Danny, okay, well look.
And Rosie!
Done, Rosie.
Yeah, Rosie! Well done, Rosie!
Well done, Rosie. Well done.
Yeah, perfect away performance. The girls put a lot into the girls have put in a lot into this last couple of months. So as I said, a lot of efforts going in from the parents, the players, the coaches. They've been great. And to be out of season and to be able to put on a performance like that, you know, it was fantastic. And we're in bonus territory now, so we're just enjoying it, and the girls are enjoying it too. Fantastic for the girls. You're going up against teams that you don't know much about, so you're trying to suss out before what level they'll be at, and if you're able to compete, and just the travel itself to come down here for the girls, sure, it's fantastic for them to think that, you know, they're going away for the weekend and getting a night away and then coming out here, even to be on video and recorded, a match being recorded. Sure, I think it's fantastic, and it's fantastic for the SFAI. The competition itself is brilliant. We were lucky enough, one of our teams won it in 2021 or 2 maybe, or under 15s boys, so that was a remarkable achievement.